Find features that distinguish it from other brands for PoolPure PRS100A Robotic Pool Skimmer, with 7600 mAh super long battery life, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Smart and autonomous pool cleaning. The PoolPure PRS100A is a smart pool skimmer that operates on its own using a control system and multiple sensors. It can navigate and maneuver itself on the surface of the pool, collecting leaves, debris, dust, and pollen that float on the water's surface. This eliminates the need for manual cleaning and provides a convenient and efficient way to keep your pool clean. Control system with multiple sensors. The PoolPure PRS100A is equipped with a control system that includes a gyroscope, pressure sensor, and ultrasonic sensor. These sensors enable the skimmer to detect obstacles, navigate around them, and adjust its speed accordingly. The control system also allows users to set cleaning schedules and control the skimmer remotely if desired. Optional remote control. The PoolPure PRS100A comes with an optional remote control that allows users to manually control the skimmer. This is useful for those who prefer a more hands-on approach to cleaning or for situations where the skimmer needs to be moved to a specific area of the pool. The remote control provides a range of up to 30 feet and includes a button for adjusting the skimmer's speed. Easy to use and maintain. The PoolPure PRS100A is designed to be easy to use and maintain. It has a simple and intuitive interface that allows users to easily set up and control the skimmer. The skimmer is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the pool and store when not in use. Versatile cleaning performance. The PoolPure PRS100A is designed to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, including collecting leaves, debris, dust, and pollen. It has a large filter basket that can hold a significant amount of debris, and it can operate continuously for up to 8 hours on a single charge. This ensures that your pool is cleaned regularly and efficiently. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.